Hey, what's going on everybody? I am super excited to share with you today's video. It's sponsored by XMars, and if you haven't heard of their name, I suggest you remember it because they have come out with the world's first intelligent robot cube. And so, let's go ahead and take a look at this video.
Many people love challenging the cube. However, 99% of them become impatient long before completing it. Even the rare 1% of finishers prepare to suffer arduously when taking on the challenge. Every time, they need to get a timer and a laptop. The worst is to get a scrambler or someone who can scramble it for you. Unlike Earthians, 99% of Martians are said to enjoy the cube. Don't you feel that they have a secret? Voila! XMars Cube. XMars has 6 faces, each of which has 9 colored panels and rotates independently. To solve the puzzle, you must turn each face to have only one color. Sounds familiar to Cube, though I am sure there must be something else. First, XMars has a learning mode for newbies. By rotating autonomously, it demonstrates how to solve the cube, and then helps you to correct your wrong moves with step-by-step guides. For speed cubers, no more nagging friends into scrambling for you. XMars Cube has an auto-scrambling function. You don't need to record your solving speed on your own either. An automatic time recording function will do. What is more, it has a playback function that allows you to review what you have solved. There are more interesting functions. You can use it as a desk ornament and alarm. In self-solving mode, EXMars solves the puzzle while rolling around. Also, you can use it as an intelligent dice. By shaking the mobile phone, you can scramble the cube and voice order to solve. Users can program the cube with Scratch software. You can use 2 cubes for playing clone mode. XMars Cube is a smart cube developed with state-of-the-art technologies. To have this Earth version, various scientific researches and technical validations have been poured into it. Many beta testers participated to improve the quality and performance of the cube.
That's legit.
From beginners to speed cubers, XMars Cube will satisfy each and every one of you. XMars Cube. Not a challenge, but a smart way to have fun.
Holy cow. What do you guys think of the cube? Let me know in the comments below. And the first thing I thought of was obviously the design. I thought it was really neat. It might be a little challenging getting used to it, you know how maybe bulky it might be, but I think it looked really sick. And the second thing I thought of, just seeing it drop from a tabletop and not break. I mean, I have a little boy upstairs, 18-month-old, and I mean, I don't let him play with my Rubik's Cubes because I don't want the pieces falling off, and he could choke on them. And if this doesn't break from falling from a tabletop, like, that's amazing. He should be able to play with it, no problem. But I thought the design was really cool. Just the fact that it could help teach you solve. I mean, that's what my channel is all about, is to teach beginners how to solve the Rubik's Cube. And I think this will be an amazing way to do that. And then also, if you're a speed cuber, it'll help you, just get faster. So I think it's super neat. I don't have a sample in yet, but I might be getting one in the next month or two. And then I'll be doing an unboxing video for you guys. But yeah, remember this name, XMars Cube. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video for them.